Beach adventures with Sammy and friends. Hi, kids. Welcome to Sammy and Friends Beach Adventure. Are you ready to have some fun in the sun? Let's go. Sammy the Sea Turtle. Hi everyone. I'm Sammy, and these are my friends, Sandy and Bubbles. Today, we're going to explore the beach and find out what makes it so special. Are you excited? We sure are. Sandy the Starfish. Hi, kids. I can't wait to show you all the cool things we can find on the beach. Bubbles the Fish. I'll be swimming around to help you spot some amazing sea creatures. Let's dive in. Sammy the Sea Turtle. First stop, the shore. Look at all that soft, golden sand. Did you know you can build amazing sandcastles with it? Let's build one together. Sammy the Sea Turtle. First, we need to make a big pile of sand. Then, we can use our hands or a shovel to shape it into towers and walls. Don't forget to decorate it with seashells and seaweed. Sandy the Starfish. Look. Here are some cool seashells. They come in all sorts of shapes and colors. Let's see if we can find a special one. Bubbles the Fish. Seashells are like the homes of tiny sea creatures. This one is called a conch shell, and this one is a clam shell. Sandy the Starfish. Each seashell has its own story. Even coming. Sammy the Sea Turtle. Here's some tide pools. They're like little mini oceans with lots of cool creatures. Look at the little crabs scurrying around for food and the sea anemone waving in the water. Bubbles the Fish. Tide pools are great places to find starfish, sea urchins, and even baby fish. Sammy the Sea Turtle. Playing in the water is so much fun. Always swim with a buddy and never go too deep. Sandy the Starfish. Don't forget to put on sunscreen to protect your skin from the sun. Bubbles the Fish. And remember, always clean up after yourself. We want to keep the beach beautiful for everyone. Sammy the Sea Turtle. What a wonderful day at the beach. We had so much fun building sandcastles, finding seashells, exploring tide pools, and playing in the water. Bubbles the Fish. We hope you had as much fun as we did. See you next time for more exciting adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos with Sammy and friends. Bye.